Number 15, we have the square root of 5, take away square root 2, all divided by 4 square root 2. So what you could do, but I'm not going to, is you can cancel out this square root 2 right away and make it a 1, but why do that? Just kind of do it in one fell swoop. So since you have a binomial divided by a monomial, we'll just kind of focus on that here. So right here we have 4 square root 2. We want to get the square root out of there. Our index is 2, so we just need one number to multiply it. So I want to multiply the numerator and denominator by square root 2. So with that being said, we get square root 5, take away square root 2, all multiplied by square root 2, divided by 4 square root 2 squared. Because 2 times 2 is 4, we get square root of 4. We distribute square root 2, we get right here 2 times 5, take away square root 2 times square root 2, we get square root 2 squared, all divided by, well, I can see the index is the same. I'll do this over here in a second. So we pull that out, so we get 4 times 2. So our final answer simplified would be square root 10, take away, same index again. This square root is requiring the number that multiplies by itself twice, so we pull out a 2. Divided by 8. And we could technically simplify 2 and 8, but why do it when we have it under one roof? So you could flip it. I like to have the positive first though. Square root 10, take away 2, divided by 8. And you could technically simplify it to 1/4 and keep it like this. Technically you could do it, but it looks kind of disheveled. So this was something I would want. This you don't have to do here. Again, you don't really have to do this here. Minus 1/4. As you can see, it makes it more difficult if you're trying to combine it anywhere because it doesn't have a common denominator anymore. But yeah, that's if you really want to simplify it. But remember, the 8 is owned by both the square root 10 and by the 2.